Good morning, I'm in Animal Kingdom. I'm Chris and welcome to my channel. Spend the day with me at Magic. Spend the day with me at Animal Kingdom. Come on. I'm walking into Pandora. First ride of the day, Flight of Passage, the Avatar ride. I heard that's one of the best in Disney World, so I'm excited. Alright, I did the Flight of Passage, that was fun. Now I'm on my way to Africa to do the safari. Look at some animals. I do love animals. So, but I'm gonna say this park's so much shade because of all of the trees they have in here. Very nice. And it's very sunny today, so that's very good. I'm just waiting to see the characters coming on the boats. I don't know if this is one of the places they do it, but it seems like it. Anyways, it looks so beautiful, full of nature. So I went to Animal Kingdom and I ate breakfast, then went to Animal Kingdom, took a relaxing day at Animal Kingdom, just walked around. I did the Flight of Passage. I watched the Festival of the Lion King, which was good. Then I took the Everest and the dinosaur. And to be honest, the dinosaur ride, I didn't particularly like it. I think the sounds were too loud and I was expecting more high speed. But the Everest one though, that was good. I like that one. Now the only thing, I left around 2 o'clock, so I was there from 9:30 till 2 o'clock, I think. So, but I really want to see the boats go by with the character. I saw one boat, but they only had the people playing instruments. So, but I had 2 long days in the park. At first day at Magic Kingdom and then Epcot yesterday. Then today I just wanted to relax because my feet was hurting and my back was hurting so bad yesterday. So I was like giving my body some time to relax. So I went back to the hotel, I ate some fries, and then I've been in the hotel room for now 1.5 hours, and I'm debating if I want to go and take a swim. It's very hot, it's very hot outside, so I think going into the water should feel nice. Let's do that. By the way, if I didn't show it earlier, this was my outfit. This cute dress with back pockets, and then it has like these undershorts. I like this dress. I like it, and I think it looks good. Alrighty, I'm ready to go to the pool to swim. Let's go. It's gorgeous. I stopped by Art of Animation and picked up a big slice of pizza because they don't have slices of pizza at Pop-Up, only large pizza. So it smells like bonfire.